Intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Apple enthusiasts out there. Get ready to meet the iPhone 15 Pro, the ultimate iPhone. Display. First up, let's talk about the stunning display. It boasts a massive 17.00 centimeters, 6.7 inches, Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, ensuring a visually captivating experience. And guess what? It's also an always-on display, making your life easier. Design. When it comes to design, Apple never disappoints. The iPhone 15 Pro features a sleek titanium body with a textured matte glass back. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement. Plus, it has an action button for added convenience. Interaction. Now, let's talk about how you'll interact with this magical device. It introduces Dynamic Island, a groundbreaking way to interact with your iPhone, offering an unparalleled experience. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro packs a punch. It's powered by the A17 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Camera. Photography enthusiasts, listen up. The Pro camera on this device is a game-changer. With a 48 megapixels main camera, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lens, it's ready to capture super high-resolution photos. You can also enjoy next-generation portraits with focus and depth control, not to mention the incredible 10x optical zoom range. Safety. Safety is paramount, and the iPhone 15 Pro has got you covered with emergency SOS and crash detection features, ensuring your well-being is a top priority. Battery and connectivity. Worried about battery life? Don't be. You can enjoy up to 29 hours of video playback on this device. Plus, it supports USB-C, offering USB 3 for up to 20x faster transfers. Security. And, of course, Face ID is here to keep your device secure with the latest in facial recognition technology. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, a sneak peek at the incredible iPhone 15 Pro. It's the ultimate iPhone, and it's ready to revolutionize your tech experience. Stay tuned for more updates on this fantastic device, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.